Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to upload a long video to Facebook story. Let's try to do that with a long video more than 30 seconds. As you can see, it is not accepting more than 26 seconds. If we upload, it will be timid. But don't worry, it is for normal users, not for us. Let's start. To do this, at first you have to install Facebook Lite application from Play Store. Open Play Store and search Facebook Lite and install it. After that, log into your account and close every app. Next, open your gallery and find the video that you want to upload as story. Next, click the share button and choose Facebook Lite to share it. Click Add to Story. It will appear like this. Now share it to Facebook. Wait for to upload. Now my 41-second video is uploaded to Facebook story. Don't worry, I checked this. If you like more like this, please do subscribe my YouTube channel APK Balas, and thanks for watching.